Yeah, let's check it out this morning. Areas of rain and storms, having some fun with some stormy weather overnight. It's been kind of rackety across the northern parts of the state. Storms started up here near Woodward. They raced eastward. They're now over in the eastern part of the state. That line of storms has held together that whole time. Now running from east of Bartlesville through Tulsa, getting some severe weather now up near Owasso, up near Claremore, Rogers County. Those tracking eastbound. Heavy rain, lightning, some wind gusts over 60 miles per hour with those, and could be seeing some quarter-size hail as well. So big batch of rain sliding eastbound, moving away from Oklahoma City. Best chance of rain continues in the northern and northeast parts of the state, and some areas could still get some heavy rainfall. And as that rain now tracks into the northeast, that's where that risk of some flash flooding will be higher here coming up this morning. Some scattered showers near Hennessy, Covington, Orlando, over near Stillwater. Heaviest rain right now, some storms from Stroud up I-44 toward the Tulsa area. Here in the central part of the state, here about an hour ago, we had some showers track through. Those are now moving away from us. The rain right now extends over near Prague to Stroud. Again, a few heavy storms there tracking away. A few more showers back out toward west. We'll keep an eye on those right now in Oklahoma City. If you got to get out, we're looking dry here starting out this morning. Rain chances really dropping off. They're going to be possible, but they'll be much less. We'll put them at 40%, but it probably is going to be 40% or less here the rest of your morning. Best chances east and north. The least chances will be in southwest parts of Oklahoma. Right now 59 degrees, northwest winds at 17. Watch your temperatures. They're going to be hovering in the 50s here through the morning hours. Kind of chilly. Those north winds will continue to blow 15 to 30 miles per hour with temperatures hovering right around 60. So don't expect a big warm up today. North winds are going to make it feel chilly. Grab that windbreaker. You will need it out the door this morning. So let's give you some details to that hour-by-hour forecast today. 59 here at 8 o'clock. We'll drop it in the low to mid-50s about 10 to noon before a little recovery in here for your afternoon. Back up around 60 by 4 o'clock today. Do see some rain chances. They will be on the low side, but a lot of wind will be on the high side. North winds today 20 to 30 sustained most of the day today. Cold front is sliding in now. North winds behind that. You see those colors of green and north, even some blue out in the panhandle. Chilly air filtering back in, and behind that will be some gusty winds. Those north winds kicking in now 20, 30, even near 40 miles per hour back behind that as a low pressure area really develops right on top of us. This low pressure area is churning and getting its act together. Big trough forming up right on top of us. As that develops, that'll kick up severe weather across parts of the deep south into the Mississippi Valley. Maybe some tornadoes there coming up for today. That low pressure area keeps tracking eastbound tomorrow, and as we get to Friday, it's east of us. High pressure settles in. No real active weather at all taking us into the weekend. We will track a low pressure area down here in the southwest part of the country. That'll kind of sit there for a few days before starting to roll up our way. May make it in here probably about next Wednesday or Thursday of next week. And by the time it gets here, might bring some storms with it then. So there's a good 4, 5, 6 day stretch of beautiful weather setting up, taking us from late Thursday all the way through parts of the middle parts of next week. 50s and 60s for highs coming up for today. Rain chances here through the afternoon as that low develops. Still be possible. Scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm in northwest Oklahoma, and we'll see some milder temperatures tomorrow. Upper 60s, around 70 for most locations. So let's check temps. 63 today, 68 tomorrow, and then 75 for your Friday. We'll see some 70s and 80s taking us through the weekend. Look at that long stretch of sunny, quiet weather that'll take us in early next week. We'll track more storms coming up next Wednesday and Thursday. Let's see, here's some of those storms from last night. We tracked those up near the Woodward area. Look at what looks like snow on Val's car. That's actually hail. We had some flooding rainfall in the Woodward area and even did some damage. Again, that hail fell and those winds kicked up. We did have a few wind gusts up near 65 miles per hour when those winds kicked in. Did do a little bit of damage, some tree damage and some power line damage up in the northwest part of the state. So we're monitoring more storms today, especially in northeast Oklahoma. The weather here for central Oklahoma, mainly wind, kind of cool, some 50s and 60s for highs today.
Yeah, that hail looked like snow on the ground. That was crazy. Thanks, Jed. Coming up at 5.